This is the fiber optic link cable that's compatible with Meta Quest 2. Using this cable, you can connect the Quest 2 with your PC so you can play PC VR games. This unlocks many more VR games for you to play. This is a high-quality USB-C to USB-C cable. It supports USB 3.2 Gen 2, which allows for 10 Gbps high-speed data transfer and even supports 3A fast charging. This means the cable is powerful enough to keep the Quest 2 charged even during use. The length of 16 feet or 5 meters is long enough for you to comfortably move around even when connected to your gaming PC. Since it's made of optic fiber, signal loss is greatly reduced when compared to copper-based cables. If you don't have a USB-C slot on your PC, there's also a USB-C to USB-A adapter included. To get started, simply connect the 90 degrees angle USB-C cable to your Quest 2 and then connect the other end to your PC. Make sure you connect it to a port that supports high speeds. Then make sure to download and configure the Oculus Link software so you can get started straight away.